flying to Japan today, and it's one of those things to get off the bucket list. I'm flying with KLM, but we're connecting with Air France in Paris first, and the flight is scheduled for 6 o'clock. And to be honest, it's just like I'm not feeling the best. My stomach's in bits. Had to take a half day in work today, but since all day I've just been an absolute mess, and I think it's definitely down to the expired biscuits that I ate the other day, whole box of Tim Tams. But yeah, like got a taxi at around 3 o'clock, and I know for a fact he ripped me off because the fare was around 65 quid, which I don't know how, because I normally get taxis to the airport and they're normally around 47 to 52 euros each at most, but yeah, today was around 65 quid. But look, it is what it is. 3 a.m. and now all we have to do is just to wait to go to Paris, was it Charles de Gaulle airport, and then off to Tokyo Haneda. So it's been a while, just one of those things off the bucket list, so we'll see how it goes, fingers crossed. I landed here in Haneda airport. I'm telling you now, my trip was a disaster. Apparently I have a stomach bug, and yeah, that flight from Paris to Tokyo was not good at all. It was worse than my flight from Amsterdam to Taiwan. I did an absolute madness in the toilets, but it is what it is. So yeah, it's touched down now. I'm just trying to find a toilet. TMI, I guess. I just converted my money there, so now I'm going to buy the Suica card, then go down to the hostel and meet Alex. But right now the temperature is 27 degrees. And another thing, they made me do an electronic sign-in for customs declaration, and then after all that hassle doing registering online, I asked the lady, how come there's loads of people queuing up on the other side, and she goes, oh, that's for paper customs declarations. I was like, mate, I have both of them, so why did you tell me to register online? And she goes, oh yeah, well if you didn't have one, you could have just gone and to the paper one. It's like, well, that cost me 30 minutes. But look, it's here now. We're here. I might pick up a SIM. You know, I'm gonna buy a telephone SIM. So, boom. Now I'm gonna actually go up to the monorail, as they call it here, and try to find the fastest way to the hostel. Alright. So yeah, lads, I just had a 3-hour nap there, and decided to go to visit a shrine called Nezu, because going to Kyoto was, too far. It would have cost us as €80 one way and 3 hours on the train. And then on top of that, my filter's broken. On the way down towards the Nezu shrine, we kind of got lost. Me and Alex were supposed to get the bus, but we ended up taking this sidetrack to this mad field.
That's it. You ready?
Yes, so should we walk towards it or?
Well, I don't care. Do you want to?
Fuck it, let's go.
think this is their version of a, what do you call it? Of a night market?
Yeah. I'm not gonna cap though.
Hey, they got some of that porn stuff you like to watch with anime.
Oh no, not me.
Okay.
One of the lads in work likes all that hentai stuff.
Yeah, not
I'm gonna cut that out.
Not you.
But yeah, boom. We finally made it to the bottom of Nezu Shrine. Oh shit, the walk isn't even that big.
What?
The walk isn't even that big because here we are now at Nezu Shrine. Now see that? That's a picture moment. So yeah, it's a Sunday and there's a little market thing going on. I can't lie to you, 30 degrees out and all this, it looks good. I like this vibe though.
You like what?
I like this vibe.
The night market?
Well, it's a night market out in the day, so what would you call it? A daytime night market?
Just a Japanese market.
Yeah, it seems like a very family orientated day out. Hot dogs everywhere. But airsoft as well. To be honest with you, I thought there'd be more of those gates, what's it called, the Mori gates like Kyoto, but there's none. And I guess it's good that it's not a big long walk. But it's absolutely crowded. Just loads of people here in line waiting to go up and offer their prayers at the shrine. And I noticed this with Japan, right? People still wear their kimonos and all their traditional clothing on weekends. I'm trying not to record people's faces here as they do their religious things. But yeah, it looks like the priest is about to hit the drums. So yeah, that's the Nezu Shrine for the day. Just food, family, rituals, pictures. It's a very family orientated event. I've noticed a lot of these festivals in Japan are. And I like the vibes of them, you know. It's like, just like I said earlier on, it's like a night market from Taiwan, but during the day. And a lot more traditional costumes. But I can't lie to you, I'm absolutely sweating. I'm just going to cut it short now and I'm going to go get some food because I'm absolutely starving. I haven't gotten sick though, so that's always a good sign, eh?